We are here in Slovenia at the Strategic Forum of ADRA Europe Network. With me are one of the leaders of ADRA offices, and here is Michael Kruger, the president of ADRA Network. Michael, what do you think about the situation in Ukraine, and how do you think people can support us?
It's such a privilege to be here in Slovenia and this European forum as we look to find better ways for ADRA to cooperate and coordinate our activities. At the same time, we've got this most horrendous human tragedy unfolding in the Ukraine. We've got women and children fleeing the country. We understand with the government that men 18 to 60 are not allowed to leave. And so we've seen so many of these women and children leaving. Their situations are desperate. They need shelter, they need food, they need comfort, they need support in so many ways. At the moment, the ADRA network has mobilized to raise funding for so many of these people. If you go to the ADRA websites in your particular country, all of that has been set up so that you can donate online, or you can even give through your church if you don't have access to that. And that really is the best way to help the people. I know many people are looking to give sort of what we call gifts in kind, but right now logistically that's very difficult to handle. So I would really encourage your viewers to support us financially so that we can get this aid to those women and children who most desperately need it.
Thank you so much for your support and your work. And please support us and visit adra.si/Ukraine. Thank you so much for your support.